Hey guys, it's JBG Pranks here, and today is Mother's Day, as you all know. And today, for Mother's Day, I'm gonna be pranking my mom. And yes, I know what you're thinking. That is a big ass Shrek baby. Why do I have it? Why do I have it? I don't know. Okay, so before I go into the video, I just want to say thank you, Mom, for being the best mom that anyone can ever ask for. You are way beyond what I deserve, and I'm thankful that I have you as my mom, and I know how much you care, and I love you with all my heart, Mom, so thank you for being the best. Now, on to the prank. So I told my mom that I would be cutting the grass since I didn't get her any Mother's Day gifts. Yeah, right, me. Throughout the week, I've been going back and forth to stores, getting stuff, making her DIY gifts, as you guys are seeing right now. And I put fake skin on me and fake blood, turned on the lawnmower, pretended I cut myself, and let's see how this goes. Okay guys, so I had one camera. Then while I was recording, the one you guys were just watching, hey, I have AIDS, let me just turn off, because I'm So, I have the audio, so that's what you guys are going to hear now. I don't know. Mom! Me corté! Lo estaba tratando de prender.
¿Cómo te cortaste?
Get the band-aids. Get the alcohol, Mom.
Llámame a Seth, a ver si puedes hacer algo con eso. No, se cortó de verdad.
Oh, no. I'm helping. Ven. Happy Mother's Day.
Oh my God. Tú me sacaste un susto ahorita, Jeremy. Oh my God. Me sacaste el corazón. Thank you. Oh my God. Thank you guys.
Alright guys, that was the video. I love you, Mom. I hope you enjoyed all your gifts. If you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and please share and subscribe. Never gonna